In the realm of kitchen gadgets, a reliable immersion blender is a must-have. Whether you're whipping up a quick smoothie in the morning or preparing a creamy soup for dinner, the right hand blender can make all the difference. This Sangcon Immersion Blender Handheld, 3-in-1 electric blender with a 400-watt motor, promises to be that versatile tool every kitchen needs. In this detailed review, we'll explore what sets this blender apart, its performance in various tasks, and why it might just be the perfect addition to your culinary arsenal. The Sangcon Immersion Blender is designed with both functionality and style in mind. Its sleek black exterior is complemented by stainless steel accents, giving it a modern and professional look that will fit right into any kitchen. The ergonomic handle is designed for comfort, ensuring that even prolonged use doesn't strain your hand or wrist. This is particularly important for those who spend a lot of time in the kitchen, or who may have hand or wrist issues. The blending arm is sturdy and well constructed, capable of handling tough ingredients without bending or warping. The stainless steel blade at the end of the blending arm is sharp and durable, ensuring smooth and even blending every time. The overall build quality of the Sangcon Immersion Blender is impressive, especially considering its affordability. At the heart of this hand blender is a 400-watt motor, which provides more than enough power for most blending tasks. Whether you're pureeing vegetables for a soup, whipping up a smoothie, or mixing ingredients for a sauce, the Sangcon Immersion Blender handles it with ease. The motor is powerful enough to blend even tough ingredients, like frozen fruits or nuts, yet it operates quietly, making it a pleasure to use. One of the standout features of this blender is its dual-speed functionality. With just a flick of a switch, you can choose between a gentle mix or a rapid blend, depending on the task at hand. This makes it incredibly versatile, allowing you to tackle a wide range of recipes with precision and ease. The ability to adjust the speed is particularly useful when working with delicate ingredients that require a lighter touch, or when you need to quickly break down more substantial ingredients. The Sangcon Immersion Blender comes as a 3-in-1 device, equipped with 3 essential attachments: blending arm, a whisk, and a frother. Each attachment is designed to expand the blender's functionality, making it a true multitasker in the kitchen. Blending arm. The primary attachment is the blending arm, which is perfect for making smoothies, soups, sauces, and more. The stainless steel blade is designed to blend ingredients smoothly and evenly, ensuring that you get the perfect texture every time. Whisk attachment. The whisk attachment is ideal for whipping cream, beating eggs, or mixing batters. It's easy to attach and provides consistent results, making it a great tool for bakers or anyone who enjoys making desserts at home. Frother attachment. The frother is a fantastic addition for those who love their lattes or cappuccinos. It's perfect for frothing milk to add that cafe-quality touch to your homemade coffee. It can also be used to froth other liquids like cream or egg whites for various recipes. This versatility makes the Sangcon Immersion Blender more than just a standard hand blender. It's a tool that can handle a wide range of kitchen tasks, reducing the need for multiple appliances and saving you both time and space. One of the biggest advantages of the Sangcon Immersion Blender is its ease of use. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, making it easy to maneuver, even when dealing with large batches or tougher ingredients. The controls are simple and intuitive, with just 2 buttons to switch between speeds. Cleaning the Sangcon Immersion Blender is just as easy as using it. The attachments are all detachable, making it easy to rinse them off or place them in the dishwasher. The stainless steel blending arm and whisk are both dishwasher-safe, while the motor unit can be wiped down with a damp cloth. The frother attachment is also easy to clean, with a quick rinse under running water usually being enough to remove any residue. The frother attachment is a particular highlight, especially for coffee lovers. It froths milk quickly and efficiently, creating a creamy and airy foam that rivals what you'd get at a coffee shop. Whether you're making a latte, cappuccino, or just frothing milk for a hot chocolate, the frother delivers excellent results every time. Given its robust performance, versatility, and solid build quality, the Sangcon Immersion Blender offers excellent value for money. It's affordably priced, yet it includes features and attachments that are often found in more expensive models. 3-in-1 design means you're essentially getting 3 tools in one, making it a smart investment for any home cook. Conclusion: the Sangcon Immersion Blender Handheld 3-in-1 hand blender electric 400 watts handheld blender is a versatile and powerful tool that deserves a place in every kitchen. Its strong motor, dual-speed functionality, and multiple attachments make it suitable for a wide range of tasks, from blending smoothies, frothing milk. Ergonomic design and ease of cleaning further enhance its appeal, making it a practical and user-friendly choice. Whether you're an experienced cook or just starting out, this hand blender will quickly become an indispensable part of your kitchen routine. It's not just a blender, it's a multifunctional tool that will help you create delicious and healthy meals with ease. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.